Have you ever accidentally paid the wrong person on Venmo? Or maybe you sent a friend too much money and you're now wondering, how do I get that back? It's a frustrating situation, but don't worry, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can refund someone on Venmo and how to do it correctly so you don't lose your money. First, let's talk about the easiest way to get your money back, asking the person to refund you. If the person you paid is someone you know, this is the best and most direct approach. Simply send them a quick message or text explaining the situation and asking them to send the money back. They can do this by using the Pay or Request button, entering your name and the correct amount, and then paying you back. It's a simple process for them, and for you, it's the fastest way to get your funds back. But what if you paid someone you don't know, or what if they're just not responding to your request? You might be tempted to cancel the payment, but this is where you need to be careful. Unlike some other platforms, Venmo doesn't have a built-in cancel payment button. Once a payment is sent, it's instant. This is a crucial detail to remember. You can't just hit a button and reverse the transaction. So, if you can't cancel it, what's your next move? This is when you'll need to use Venmo's official dispute process. To do this, you'll need to contact Venmo's customer support. You can find this option in the app under the Help section. When you contact them, be prepared to provide all the details of the transaction, the date, the amount, and the username of the person you paid. Explain what happened clearly, and let them know that you've already tried to contact the person but haven't gotten a response. Venmo's support team will then review your case and can sometimes reverse the payment for you. Keep in mind that this process isn't instant and might take a few days, but it's your official path to getting your money back when direct communication fails. A quick but important tip, always double-check the recipient's name before you hit that pay button. Venmo usernames can be similar, and a simple typo can send your money to a stranger. Taking an extra second to confirm the recipient can save you a whole lot of trouble. So, to quickly recap, your first step is always to ask the person you paid to send the money back. If that doesn't work, contact Venmo support through the app and provide them with all the necessary details. Remember, there's no instant cancel button, so don't waste time looking for one. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.